Morning, guys. It's the last Sunday in January, I believe, and we're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches. We've got 6 so far, and you can see that it's really coming down there now. Supposed to stop at 1 o'clock. By that time we should have around 8 inches or so. We'll see. Man, when I was a kid, I used to love going to hunt snowshoe rabbits on days like this. Not anymore. Okay guys, so it's around 11 o'clock and the sun had just come out there for a second. So it's probably going to stop snowing soon. I'll have to get the truck ready to do some plowing. So to my friend in Sydney, Australia, do you wanna swap places for a day or two? It's certainly not 115 here. I think it's 18. I gotta clean this truck off. Well, it looks like the camera fell down. Anyway, I'm trying to clean these windows off. Whew. Okay, so we made short order of that. I have to clean up the smaller stuff there. Here comes the boss ready to go over to the chickens again. Feed the dog. So I gotta go out on the main road now and do the plowing. There's 8 inches of new snow. This is why you want to push the snow back, because it doesn't take much before you're out of space. And with it being only January yet, there could be quite a few snowstorms before we actually get to the fall. when you have bright sun like this right after a snow. I love this, and I'm gonna be getting on the riding tractor just to be out in it. You know, being out in this cold snow, plowing snow makes you feel alive. I gotta go get the other neighbor's driveway now. The object here is to just not have snow in the intersection when you're done. When you have snow that's kind of fluffy like this, if somebody drives through it, it doesn't really matter much. But if you have snow that's like wet, and somebody drives through it, like say an hour or so before you get to it, a lot of times it can be hard on the truck because it freezes right away, especially if it gets colder. Got that taken care of there. put the camera down for this one. I can't do all this steering and everything. Okay, well, that one's looking pretty good. Not gonna worry about that. I just want to get this now. I got this old girl out, and I had to adjust the hydrostatic linkage the other day. When I would push it forward, I was going kind of slow, but really fast in reverse. So I adjusted the linkage so I would go a little faster and forward. So it seems to be alright now. I'm going to eat some lunch and then we're going to plow more snow in all the smaller places, the tighter spots. Okay, so here we have a passerby in the street. So what do you think about the winter, ma'am?
I want to go where it's warmer.
Hey guys, we're doing good getting cleaned up and everything, but the problem here is you can see that underneath the snow there's ice. So it's like one of these things where if you clean up too well, you're walking on ice. If you leave a little bit of snow, at least the snow will keep you from falling. So, you know, it's hard to explain, but the thing is this is what it is. Anybody who lives in the north knows this stuff. Okay guys, so it's almost 2:30 already. I'm getting beat and this guy wants to go out, so I'm going to take him for a run quick. Well guys, we're all done with the snow plowing as far as we're concerned today, but just want to make a little thing here about the birds. I know that this isn't exactly the happiest thought in the world. However, if you look out there, there's a whole lot of chickadees coming back and forth to the bird feeder, and one of the things that makes me really happy about that is that I mentioned this morning when I was a kid that I used to go snowshoe rabbit hunting. I've been in the swamps already hunting in deep snow, and these little chickadees I have seen on branches frozen solid. So it really does me good to my heart to see, and Sally, to see these little chickadees out here swarming after the bird seed. We usually spend about, I don't know, 36 or 38 bucks a month on bird seed, but it's well worth it to watch them, you know, thrive. And we got some squirrels here that are as fat as can be from all this seed. Have a good one, guys.